undergoes health certification every 6 months, no? January and June, depending na lang po kung nakago na sila ng kanilang food establishment. And at the same time, we are into advocating for healthy foods. No? We're starting with our catering services, no? And that will involve our government employees who undergo training, and they have to, and we get the services of our caterers. We advocate for nutritious and safe foods. For our mga fish, mga street food vendors, of course, meron po tayong mga SI, sanitation inspectors na nag-inspect, and still, they are fatty foods. If sa atin naman yan it's our own choice, no? If you want to eat street foods. But remember, these are fatty and perhaps more of the carbohydrates, so hindi complete ang nutrition na binibigay. So really, we would like to make our residents responsible on their eating habits, on their food choice practices, para naman po ay ma-curve naman po ang kanilang risk to illness, no? And one of it is yung fatty foods that will also damage our liver. So importante po that we become more responsible when it comes to our eating habits and eating practices, the food that we eat. Because it really comes from us kanya-kanya tayong choices but if we choose right, we get some advice from our health workers or mga nutrition dietitian natin. We have from our health centers, so we can ask advice from them. Then they can also give advice on what are really nutritious foods. Especially so po yung ating mga nutrition workers are also into that. No? Sa community, they go down and teach our residents on how to choose, no? Select foods that are safe and safe, nutritious.
Ano ba dapat yung mga dapat?
These are balanced, no? These are balanced, well-balanced diet po natin. But really, because of yung buhay natin ngayon, no? It's our choice po natin.
Of course, sa Cordillera, talagang nasanay po tayo sa karne. Sige,
i-clarify lang natin yung hepatitis kasi binabantayan namin yan i-clarify lang natin. Meron po tayong iba't ibang causes ng hepatitis, no? At pwedeng infectious and non-infectious. Yung discuss po kanina ni Doc Ang na pag-inom ng alak, etc. sa mga non-infectious. Pero yung sinabi mo kanina, tanong mo Sir Mix, sa pagkain, dalawang hepatitis po yan. Hepatitis A and hepatitis E. Sila po yung klase ng hepatitis na nakukuha sa maduming or contaminated na pagkain. Hindi po yan yung magkukos ng cancer.
Okay.
Dahil nagkukos po kasi ng cancer, hepatitis B, C, and D. So, para lang po alam natin na hindi po porket nag-hepatitis na siya ay galing na sa pagkain na madumi or something. So, para lang po malaman natin na hepatitis A and hepatitis C are caused by food and waterborne diseases compared doon sa na-discuss kanina na liver cancer, galing ito sa hepatitis B and other causes like alcohol.
So, ito yung nag-contribute doon sa liver cancer?
Alcohol and hepatitis B.
Okay. So, ma'am, kanina yung